Hi, my name is David Hawkins and I'm the founder of Bepartrs. Bepartrs is a social network for introducing business partners. But we don't just introduce people who are already in business. We want to cater to the thousands of people who are being displaced in our new economy, and people specifically who perhaps haven't considered business as a viable option for themselves. These people have been in employment all their lives. Unemployment is a growing problem in the UK and around the world, but more profoundly the problem lies in our school system, our educational system. It was developed for the industrial era, and it produces followers, not leaders. It produces people who can man machines and people who can do repetitive mechanical tasks. But in our day and age, that's no longer needed. We need leaders. Now, the government has seen this and they're placing more weight on entrepreneurs. You can see it in the UK, in America with the new jobs enactment. Governments are seeing the importance of entrepreneurs. Now we want to lower the bar so people can see entering business as a viable option, and an option that isn't so far out of their reach. And we want to be a platform for people who haven't got the courage nor the facilities to do so. Finding the right partner in business is arguably one of the most important decisions a business owner can make. But it's also a form of encouragement for new business owners to get into business. It can be so daunting, and a good partner will offer support, offer vision, offer perhaps industry contacts, ideas, directing the business, and many more things. So we're like a mixture of eBay and crowdfunding sites like Indiegogo and Kickstarter, and a little extra secret sourcing for good measure, all with the intention of getting people into business. So here's basically how it works. We have two account types. One is for business owners and one is for business seekers. So people visit the website and they browse all of the business listings, and then if they see a business they like, they'll make a bid or an offer to the business owner and say, look, here's what I have, here's what I want to offer you. So that may be in the form of contacts, it may be in the form of money, funds, it may be in the form of offering support, direction or moral support, whatever it's going to be for the business owner to consider that will ultimately help their business move forward. We want to connect creatively kindred spirits, starting in the UK and then eventually branching out if we can. We want to recondition this idea that failure is a bad thing, and we really want to encourage people to get in the deep end and basically make mistakes and move forward and try new things. So on the smaller end, people can come to Bepartrs and they can test out their business ideas. These are business ideas that they perhaps haven't invested time and money into yet, and they can just get the opinion of people around the country and around the world before putting any effort into it. But first, I need your help to get off the ground. Below you'll see the sample of an ebook that I've written. It's also available on the tier up there as the first pledge. It's a book that outlines the best features that we have for the website that we have come up with so far, some of the best features, and it also outlines our mission, why we're here, and especially my personal why I'm doing this myself. It's just a brief introduction to the future of business from the research I've done, and it's stuff that I absolutely love and I live, so I really enjoyed writing the ebook. It basically explores things like the future of education currently, what needs to change, management, and the bigger picture of society. And it was written with the general reader in mind, so if you have any concern for the future of work and the economy, with regards to business, then it should be an interesting read for you. But before we go full steam ahead, we want to go through such an important process, which is called customer development. Essentially, it's where, before you get down into the trenches and stare at your monitor all day, you talk to people face to face and see what actually people really want and what people are going to benefit from. So we want to arrange an event in Shoreditch, which is in London, and it happens to be the third fastest growing city in the world for entrepreneurship. We want to invite 100 people or so for a good collaborative conversation, new relationships, and get people involved in what we're trying to do. So that could be business owners, it could be web developers, or it can just be anyone who has an interest in what we're trying to do here. But it's not all about us, it's about you as well. We want to get everyone involved in the group, and we want to go through the customer development process with everyone, so everyone is going in the right direction in their business. Secondly, we're going to do an event that we call Speed Partners, which is where everyone's going to be able to exchange their business cards, and so everyone is going to meet each other. And to cap it off, we're going to create a Google Circle, which is going to have everyone in that circle, so everyone can stay in touch after the event. And in the future, if you need some advice or you want to help people, have any questions or what have you, everyone's contained in there and we all keep in touch. And it's kind of a mastermind group. So that $10,000 will go towards paying for the event and also getting our website up to the beta stage. And with the initial momentum provided for by you and all the lessons we learn at the event, we'll be able to get a sure footing on our mission to allow everyone to make a difference in the new economy. Thank you.